In this video, we will discuss the 5 best gaming PC cases on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Corsair 4000D PC Case. This Corsair computer case represents a masterful blend of thoughtful design and high-performance engineering for PC enthusiasts and builders. Its innovative rapid root cable management system transforms the often frustrating cable routing process into a streamlined experience, providing an impressive 25 BML motherboard to organize and conceal wiring neatly. This attention to detail ensures aesthetic appeal, optimal airflow, and system organization. Cooling capabilities are another standout feature of the 4000D. The included Corsair Air Guide fans with anti-vortex vanes dramatically improve thermal performance by concentrating airflow precisely where it's needed most. The case's spacious interior can accommodate up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans, with impressive radiator support that includes 360mm in the front and 280mm on the roof, making it an exceptional choice for both air and liquid cooling configuration. Number 2. Antec Performance 1FT PC Case. The Antec Performance 1FT emerges as a formidable full-tower case that caters to serious PC enthusiasts and gamers seeking both performance and aesthetic sophistication. Its standout feature is the integrated temperature display, which provides an instant visual snapshot of system status, allowing users to monitor their rig's vital statistics at a glance. The inclusion of 4 Storm T3 PWM fans ensures exceptional thermal management, creating a high airflow environment that keeps components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case is a visual marvel, with dual 4M tempered glass side panels that transform your PC into a stunning showcase. The removable top bracket and high airflow mesh front panel demonstrate Antec's commitment to both functional cooling and sleek aesthetics. Number 3. Sama Z60 PC Case. The Sama Z60 PC case represents a stunning fusion of natural elegance and high-performance computing design. Its distinctive walnut wood front panel immediately sets it apart from traditional computer cases, offering a sophisticated aesthetic that seamlessly bridges the gap between technological precision and organic beauty. This unique approach transforms the PC case from mere hardware into a conversation-worthy piece of functional art that enhances both professional workspaces and gaming environments. Beneath its elegant exterior, the Z60 delivers exceptional technical capabilities. The case comes pre-installed with 4x140 MAR GPWM fans, ensuring robust cooling performance for even the most demanding system. Its spacious interior supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from ITX to EXX, and can accommodate GPUs up to 410M, providing remarkable flexibility for builders with diverse configuration needs. Number 4. Fractal Design Gaming PC Case. The Fractal Design Gaming PC case represents a stunning fusion of sophisticated design and practical functionality for serious computer enthusiasts. With its innovative approach to aesthetic and thermal performance, this case stands out in a crowded market of generic computer enclosures. The integration of sustainably sourced wood panels, available in elegant oak or walnut, transforms the traditional gaming PC chassis into a true design statement that would complement any modern workspace or gaming setup. Technical capabilities match the case's visual appeal, offering remarkable flexibility for builders. Compatibility with multiple motherboard sizes, including ATX, MATX, and ITX, ensures broad appeal for different system configurations. Number 5. Okinos Gaming PC Case. The Okinos Gaming PC case emerges as a sophisticated blend of natural aesthetics and cutting-edge technological design, offering enthusiasts a truly remarkable computing enclosure. By incorporating genuine walnut wood elements, the case transcends traditional gaming hardware, transforming computer builds into elegant statements that seamlessly integrate with modern workspaces. Its thoughtful engineering provides exceptional functionality, beginning with an impressive cooling system featuring 4 pre-installed PWM fans capable of generating substantial airflow reaching 200 cubic feet per minute. Connectivity and accessibility stand out as key strengths of this remarkable chassis. The inclusion of a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface alongside multiple USB 3 ports and convenient audio jacks ensures users have comprehensive connection options. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.